Hello and good evening, everybody. In my today's live session, I would like to welcome each and everyone who has joined my today's live session. I really appreciate, guys, that you have joined my live session. Thank you so much, all of you, for joining this session. Okay, and I really appreciate, guys, I value your time that you have joined my live session. Guys, this live session is going to be very informative for all of you, because in my today's live session I am going to talk about new startup mining project which is provided by the get.io platform. So this get.io startup mining initial offering is going to give you so much benefit. Okay, so please, guys, just stay connected, stay tuned till the end of this live session. I assure you that this live session is going to be very informative for all of you. So this is the get live include get live airdrop 1 million. Okay, and it is the startup mining. So mainly, guys, I'm gonna talk about solve startup mining, and I will be briefly mentioned about the baby shark. Okay, I will briefly mention about the baby shark, guys. Okay, so what are their rules, what is these two projects are upcoming projects of the get.io, which is going to be very informative for all of you, and how you will get benefit from this wonderful project. So I will discuss each and every point with you, but just I want you to please stay connected till the end of this live session. Okay, guys, so my today's topic is get airdrop 1 million, hold GT to unlock dual dollar solve benefits. So one thing you need to look up to in the title of this live stream, that hold GT. Alright, guys, so this is very exclusive project for the GT holders. So hold GT to unlock dual dollar solve benefits, guys. Okay, dual dollar solve benefits. So solv protocol get.io startup mining initial offering, stake to earn $1 million airdrop. All right, 1 million airdrops. So guys, please stay connected till the end of this live session. Okay, so I have already discussed with you my today's topic and what are all the benefits you are getting in this startup mining, wonderful startup mining, guys. And one thing I would like to add in my today's live session is that they are grabbing the attention. Alright, they are grabbing the attention all over the world. Okay, because it is a dual benefit project. Okay, dual benefits you are getting with this wonderful projects. Okay, so, and one thing, guys, if in the mid of this live session if anybody wanted to ask me any question, okay, you are free to ask me, you can ask me anytime. All right, so yes, so the topic is solve protocol, solv get.io startup mining initial offering, stake to earn $1 million airdrop, stake to earn $1 million airdrop. So what is this airdrop? Get.io will list SOLV protocol for spot trading on January 17th 2025 at 10 a.m. UTC. To reward our users, you can stake GT or USDT in SOLV protocol, which is SOLV startup mining, to share this much solve for free, guys, with rewards valued at 1 million. So guys, don't miss the chance to seize this bonus, okay, with reward. So just focus on the reward, guys. What are all the rewards you are getting here is rewards are 1 million, okay, rewards are 1 million. So guys, don't miss the chance to seize this bonus. All right, are you all getting my point? सो ये GT और USDT सॉल्व का प्रोटोकॉल है, स्टार्टअप माइनिंग है, इतना सॉल्व आपको फ्री मिल रहा है एंड द रिवॉर्ड इज ऑल्सो गिवन हेयर. एयर ड्रॉप डिटेल्स इज ऑल्सो गिवन हेयर. एयर ड्रॉप डिटेल्स, सो फेज 1 12 p.m. on January 15 to 12 p.m. on January 28. ओके, सो एयर ड्रॉप का टाइम फ्रेम आपको दे दिया गया है. ऑलराइट, एयर ड्रॉप का टाइम फ्रेम आपको दिया गया है, ठीक है. स्टेकिंग पूल की अगर बात की जाए, इफ यूल फोकस ऑन स्टेकिंग पूल, so USDT newcomer exclusive is also here. Total rewards is also given here. Price pool per hour is also given here. Hourly reward cap per user is also given here. Maximum staking amount per user is also given here, and the minimum staking amount per user is also given here, guys. Okay, so phase 1 time details is given here. Now phase 2 time detail is 10 a.m. on January 17th to 10 a.m. on January 22nd UTC 2025. Okay, phase 2 10 a.m. on January 17th to 10 a.m. on January 22nd UTC 2025. Now staking pool is SOLV. You got my point? Staking pool is SOLV and the total reward is 60,000 SOLV. Alright, price pool per hour is 500 SOLV. Hourly reward cap per user is 50 SOLV. Maximum staking amount per user is given here, and the minimum staking amount per user is also given here. So how beautifully, guys, how beautifully about this project has been described. Okay, there is no issue to understanding about the project. Okay, this wonderful project, and ये सारा इसका पार्टिसिपेशन रूल है. सॉल्व प्रोटोकॉल, ट्रेडिंग, प्रोजेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन इज ऑल्सो देयर, रिस्क वार्निंग आर ऑल्सो देयर. सो बिफोर एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस project, okay, let me explain this, then I'll move to the baby shark mem. Okay, briefly that I have to explain. ये मैं solve protocol को पहले explain कर देती हूँ. So guys, one thing you need to see here is unlock rule. So 100% unlock rule is there. 100% unlock rule is there. Participation requirements. So what are all the participation requirements they are asking? So the system will distribute token rewards to users' spot accounts every hour based on the proportion of asset staked by users. Alright, the system will distribute token rewards. तो ये system wise distribute होगा token rewards users के spot account में. Alright, users के spot account में, and the every hour. So guys, you need to see this. Every hour rewards will be distributed in the form of token in the spot account of the users, and every hour based on the proportion of assets staked by the each and every users. Now newcomer exclusive staking pool. So this project is also giving some benefit to the newcomer exclusive staking pool. And what is this? Only new users who sign up after 16 p.m. which is around 4 p.m. okay, which is around 4 p.m. 16 p.m. which is 4 p.m. around, no, January 12 2025. So startup mining FAQs, I will later on discuss that. So how to participate? how you can participate. Log into your get.io account and complete identity verifications. Okay, ये स्टार्टअप माइनिंग का दिया हुआ है, दैट आई विल डिस्कस इट लेटर, बट ये थोड़ा मैं डिस्कस कर देती हूँ. ठीक है. नाउ न्यू यूजर बोनस शेयर, न्यू यूजर बोनस शेयर इज this much is new user bonus share. So 2 lakh by registering, 2 lakh by registering share. So guys, 2 lakh registering share new user bonus are getting. So new users who register during the mining period, alright guys, during the mining period they are registering this wonderful project and complete a spot trading volume of at least $50 or future volume of at least $100 will share $2 lakh based on their trading volume proportions. Okay, so are you all getting my point, guys? So bonus is also separate for the new registers. Okay, new registering. Now click submit to below to the register. So all these information which is beautifully designed in the get.io platform. Okay, where you can easily registers in the different projects and earn millions of airdrops. Now trading start, when the trading starts, its trading will start, timeline is given here, 10 a.m. January 17, 2025. Okay, so timeline is given here, trading will start on from January 17. Now deposit SOLV, the link is here, and trade SOLV in USDT market via this link. So all this information you are getting in this get.io announcement article 42631. Okay, and as I am explaining this project, if anybody feels to ask me any question, okay, related to, and if anybody is having doubt, अगर किसी को कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, तो then please ask me, guys. Okay. Now get.io has already opened SOLV protocol, pre-market OTC trading. The total mining rewards are calculated based on the token price on pre-market OTC as of January 15th. Okay guys, so this is one of the important line you need to understand about this pre-market OTC trading. So the total mining rewards जो होगा, total mining rewards जो होगा वो calculate किस basis पे होगा, वो कैलकुलेट होगा आपका टोकन प्राइस ऑन प्री मार्केट OTC of January 15. So you can visit solve pre-market OTC trading. The link is also given. Every link is provided on the get.io platform. You can check it by yourself and plan your investment accordingly. Okay, pre-market OTC trading FAQ is also given there, and pre-market OTC trading tutorial is also given there. You need not to do anything. You need not to visit any other area to understand about this project. You are getting all of the important relevant information on get.io platform only. So guys, project information is also given here. Okay, so let me show you in detail what are all the project informations. Okay, project informations is also given here. All right, so yeah, project information, so provided by the SOLV protocol team. Please follow the Solve protocol website for more detail. And the introduction is SOLV is a leading Bitcoin staking protocol building a thriving Bitcoin centering financial ecosystem by unlocking liquidity and maximizing the utility of idle Bitcoin asset. Idle Bitcoin asset, guys. Okay, introduction is good. So the token name is also given here, which is SOLV, and the token symbol is also the same. So the token name and the token symbol is same, guys. Okay. So the maximum supply is this much. Can you imagine this, guys? Their maximum supply is this much. So dynamic may increase via network governance for Bitcoin reserve offering. Token type is BEP20. Okay, token type is BEP20. Token contract is also given here. If you wanted to know more about this token contract, so get.io has provided the token contract as well. You can visit this website and know more about token contract. Token distribution and unlocked rules. So what are all the token distribution and unlocked rules? So following are the given here, token distribution and unlocked rules. So partner airdrop 7% of the Guinness token supply, 6.09% of the maximum token supply. Okay, 7% of this token supply and the 6.09% of the maximum token supply. So community airdrop, 8.50% of the Nessus token supply, 7.39% of the maximum token supply. So team and advisors, 13% of the Genesis token supply and 11.30% of maximum token supply. Community rewards and DAO treasury. Community rewards, external partners, यहाँ पे दिया ecosystem development, business development, 4% of the Genesis token supply, okay, and 3.48% of the maximum token supply. Bitcoin reserves offering, liquidity is 3% and maximum token supply is 2.61% and 13.0% of the maximum token supply. Website, guys, this is the website of Solve Finance. So let me open this website. Bitcoin staking mass adoption is here. Stake now. This is their official website. Link is this, Solve Finance. The official website link is this, guys. Official website's link is also given here. Staking abstraction layer. They are providing diverse yield source accessible through SAL. Explore how SAL unlock various yield streamers for your Bitcoin. Okay. Restaking yields, validator rewards, trading strategies, DeFi yields, which is decentralized finance yields. Solve BTC reserves for everyone. DeFi yields. Why stake with Solve? Here arises a question ki why stake with Solve? So maximize your staking rewards while maintaining cross-chain liquidity, unified liquidity, optimized yields, simplified BTC Fi journey and the transport POR. Okay. So investors lists are also mentioned here. You can go through their investors list. Following are the investors lists. Solve partners. So support chains, Solve partners, guys. These are the Solve's partners. Supported chain. They are the yield sources. So they are the DeFi applications. Following listed below are the DeFi applications and the services provider. Okay, service provided are also listed. यहाँ पे ऑडिट्स का यहाँ पे डिटेल्स दिया हुआ है, ऑडिट्स डिटेल. ये सारा आपका सॉल्व का प्रोटोकॉल एंड सॉल्व फाइनेंस व्हाट इज, जो भी टोटल इन टोटल अगर आप देखो तो ये सारा उससे रिलेटेड यहाँ पर आपको इंफॉर्मेशन दिया हुआ है. ओके. So they have provided the white paper of this Solve Finance as well. You can go through this white paper of the introduction Solve protocol on chain Bitcoin reserve. Okay, Solve protocol on chain Bitcoin reserve. So they have beautifully explained about their Solve protocol, about their project. ये आप देख सकते हैं important link. They have given their Twitter link as well, website link, Discord, Telegram and their Medium is also given here. Okay, तो ये सारा आप देख सकते हो इनके वेबसाइट पर जाकर. ओके, द लिंक इज ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडेड हेयर इन द get.io प्लेटफॉर्म. सो या नोट्स में अगर देखें, नोट्स की अगर बात करें तो GT टोकन इज द यूनिक एक्सचेंज टोकन ऑफ get.io एक्सचेंज एंड द नेटिव टोकन टू गेट चेन पब्लिक चेन. होल्ड GT नाउ. सो फॉलोइंग इज द लिंक गिवन हियर where you can hold GT now. So new user rewards is future vouchers. Future vouchers which is valid for only 5 days, guys. So users must at least $50 in spot trading or $100 in future to claim the reward. Okay, please complete identity verification. Very must. Okay, very must this identity verification before participating in startup to enhance the security of your account and the assets. Okay, please adhere to the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited and occurrence of any dishonesty will result in the disqualification of the rewards. Where any discrepancy arises between the translated version and the original English version, the English version shall prevail. So get that IO reserves all rights to the final explanation. Alright. So risk warning is also available there. Okay, I'm going through the risk warning. All you need to know is more about the risk warning only. Before doing any investment in any project, guys, you need to know their risk warning. So the project team does not guarantee that token price will not be lower than its startup sell price. Please invest with caution and don't invest beyond your financial capacity. Alright, guys, which get.io always said, don't invest beyond your financial capacity. The startup project is still in its initial stage. Factor including the operation and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risks. Advanced technical and financial knowledge is required. Okay. यहाँ पर required and evaluate inherent risks of crypto asset investment. The market volatility is high and the price of a token might fluctuate drastically due to technical, regulatory and marketing factors. Users may not be able to withdraw all the purchased tokens due to technical issues of the project or get.io. So trade over 3,500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly and easily on get.io. Alright, get.io team. Now I'm gonna ये startup mining, about startup mining है ये solve, ये दिया हुआ है GT pool, USDT pool, all pools, ये सारा total rewards. Solve यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है total rewards. Solve is a leading Bitcoin staking pool, building a thriving Bitcoin centering financial ecosystem by unlocking liquidity and maximizing the utility of idle Bitcoin asset. Staking period is 5 days. End time is given here. You can start your mining. Mining ends in 4 days. So So the total timing is given here. Now startup mining FAQs, frequently asked questions of the start, that later on I will discuss. Now let me explain this baby shark meme. What is this baby shark meme? Okay, baby shark meme, guys. All right. So before proceeding to this uh, topic, I just wanted to show you some small tutorial. Just have a look, guys, on this.
What is Gate.io Startup? Gate.io Startup is one of the biggest platforms introducing early-stage projects spanning AI, DeFi, GameFi, Metaverse, and more. You can discover potential projects here, participate in Startup, and receive free token airdrops. Startup has successfully launched over 1,000 projects, with total participants of 14 million, a subscription amount of more than $100 million, and APY of 16.49%. How many tokens I can claim? Non-VIP users will be randomly selected to win airdrops for each project. The total airdrop amount for non-VIP users will vary depending on the project, and the number of winners and the airdrop amount are not fixed, while for VIP users, they are 100% guaranteed to receive the airdrops. The higher your VIP tier, the more shares you can claim. Are there any requirements to claim Gate.io Startup free airdrops? You only need to complete KYC verification and hold no less than $10 to claim free airdrops on Gate.io Startup. How to claim free airdrops on Gate.io Startup? First, log into your Gate.io account, click on Profile on the homepage and complete the KYC verification. Check your wallet and hold no less than $10 spot assets. Click on Startup on the homepage to access the Startup page. Click on the projects in progress and click $0 free to claim. Navigate to the project page. You can check the project introduction here. Click $0 free to claim. Tick I have read and agreed subscription agreement and click Claim Now to complete the subscription. Please note that there will be no fee deducted to claim free airdrops on Gate.io Startup. You only need to hold no less than $10 to join. In addition, Startup also provides exclusive airdrop subscription opportunities for users holding GT tokens, allowing them to participate in early-stage project investments and receive project token airdrops. Participation requires only holding 10 GT token. You can go to the Startup page and enter the projects labeled GT Holders Exclusive. Then you can click Hold GT and claim free. Tick I have read and agreed subscription agreement and click Claim Now to complete the subscription. You can check the airdrop results in the subscription history or on the project subscription page. By participating in Startup subscriptions, you will have more access to some potential projects and stand a chance to reap substantial rewards in their early stages.
So guys, mentioned below is the explanation of this video, and I'm not getting deep into this. Just wanted to share some FAQs of the startup mining. Startup mining frequently asked questions. Okay, so what is this startup mining, guys? Okay, Get.io Startup Mining is a staking product in the platform's startup series, where users can stake designated tokens to receive rewards from the token pools. Startup Mining now support holding GT for single coin multi mining. Okay, single coin, which is GT. You just need to hold GT and start your multi mining. Okay, how can you participate? Check the participation guide. I had already shared, had already make you see the tutorial, video tutorial. So which coin I can stake in the startup mining pool? So the token eligible for participation will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of startup mining to view more details. ये सारा frequently asked questions हमारे दिया हुआ है. Okay. ये सारा फ्रिक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है गाइस. एंड how can I redeem my asset? You can unstake in mine staking. ओके, सो ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको get.io के प्लेटफॉर्म पे मिलती है विथ startup tutorial. Now this was the tutorial, and now I just wanted to share this baby shark token, the new wave of global IPS entering web 3. All right guys, new ये वाली ये तो मैंने बता दिया. You need to more elaborately, I am just elaborating my topic of today with baby shark meme. Okay, you need to know more about this. Okay, baby shark token. So this is the token, baby shark token, name baby shark. So in the wave of wave 3, the baby shark token is leading a digital revolution for global IPS. As the core of the baby shark web 3 ecosystem, this innovative token not only integrates the essence of blockchain IP applications but also opens up new horizons for digital asset investment. From the tokenization of fan economies to the blockchain transformation of the entertainment industry, Baby Shark is reshaping how we interact with digital content and sharing in a new era of infinite possibilities, guys. Okay, are you all getting my point? I'm just explaining, giving you an introduction of this Baby Shark token. So guys, the token name is baby shark. Okay, that in introduction I am giving you, and you need to understand more a lot about this baby shark. So please guys, stay focus on whatever I am sharing with you about this baby shark token. So this article provides a detailed analysis of baby shark remarkable transformation from a YouTube phenomenon to a blockchain revolution, revealing the role of the baby shark token as a bridge between Web 2 and Web 3. Additionally, it introduces the ambitious layout of the Baby Shark universe in the Web3 gaming ecosystem and showcasing the immense potential of integrating the entertainment industry with blockchain technology. For readers interested in digital currencies, Web3 development, and entertainment industry innovation, this article offers comprehensive and in-depth insights helping to understand the transformation and opportunities of global IPS in the blockchain era, guys. Okay, so who जो भी डिजिटल करेंसीज में इंटरेस्टेड हैं, ऑलराइट, वेब 3 डेवलपमेंट एंड द एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री इनोवेशंस, ये आर्टिकल ऑफर्स दे रहा है आपको कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव एंड इन डेप्थ इनसाइट्स. ओके, एंड ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कर रहा है अपॉर्चुनिटीज को. ओके, ब्लॉकचेन एरा में. सो बेबी शार्क टोकन, द वेब 3 कार्निवल ऑफ ग्लोबल IPS, guys. Okay, so Baby Shark, the globally popular children's entertainment IP, is making waves in the Wave 3 space with the Baby Shark token. The token name is Baby Shark. Okay, mainly this is popular for whom? Child's entertainment. Okay, as a viral IP with over 15 billion views on YouTube, Baby Shark is leveraging its massive influence across platforms to officially enter the blockchain technology realm. The launch of the Baby Shark token not only marks Baby Shark's expansion into Web3 but also heralds a new era of integration between global IPs and blockchain technologies. Alright, guys, all you need to understand the significance of this important project. Okay, all you need to understand the significance of this most important project, guys. Okay, so now from YouTube phenomenon to blockchain revolution, baby sharks remarkable transformation. So what are their remarkable transformations you need to understand? So baby shark has evolved from a viral children's song to a cultural icon spanning traditional and digital domains. Okay, domains. It's Its YouTube video has become the most watched videos on the platform, spreading across 244 regions and 25 languages, amassing over 19 million subscribers they have. Can you imagine, guys? 19 million subscribers they have. So this unprecedented influence has laid a solid foundation for its entry into Web3. The launch of the Baby Shark token signifies Baby Shark's official step into the blockchain world, combining its vast fan base with the innovative potential of Web3. Platform is YouTube, most popular videos 15 billion plus views, global reach, regional distribution 244 regions, language versions, multilingual support 25 languages, 25 languages, and the fan base YouTuber subscribers 19 million plus. Okay, so this transformation across traditional and digital domains not only showcases Baby Shark's adaptability and innovative spirit, but also sets an example for global IPs entering Web3 through the Baby Shark token. The Baby Shark Universe BSU project aims to create an open and inclusive Web3 ecosystem, allowing global fans to engage and interact in new ways. Alright, guys. So basically this project, I think ki, according to my POV, this project has came to make the interaction in a different way, and they are grabbing the attention of the they wanted to connect all the fans and to engage and interact in new ways. Okay, so they are providing a new idea, new innovation in the entertainment industry. So, a new era of fan economy. How Baby Shark reshapes digital asset interactions. Okay, yes, we have seen कि interaction ये करेगा, but how they can reshapes digital assets interaction. The launch of the Baby Shark token marks a new chapter for fan economies in the Web3 era. As the first Wave3 token platform officially authorized by the Baby Shark IPs, BSU offers fans unprecedented ways to participate through $Baby Shark. So, guys, this is not just a token. Okay, this is not just a token but a bridge connecting the Web 2 and Web 3 worlds, opening the door to blockchain for hundreds of millions of Baby Shark fans. So key features of the Baby Shark includes, what are all the key features of the Baby Shark includes? Official recognition as the only Baby Shark meme token, officially recognized through collaboration with BSU. Baby Shark fully leverages the influence of a global IP. Okay, now massive user base they have. Second one is massive user base. So what is this? Is covering, guys, you need to look up to this. They have a massive user base, and the subscriber they have 19 plus million. Oh my god. So covering 244 regions and 25 languages. Multilingual with billions of views across multiple platforms. Okay, this is community driven. Baby Shark is a fan initiated, fan serving project aimed to bringing more participation and collaboration opportunities to Web3 space. Community driven is also here. So this is a basically this is a fan initiated. Baby Shark is a fan initiated, guys, fan serving project aimed at bringing more participation and collaboration opportunities to the Wave 3. So through this innovative approach, Baby Shark, so this is the innovative approach we know, and Baby Shark not only redefines how fans interact with IPs but also opens new dimensions for digital asset investment. Digital asset investment, guys, they are opening a new dimensions for digital asset investments. Fans are no longer just content consumers but active participants and co-creators of the ecosystem. Trade Baby Shark now. Trade is link is also given here, guys. Link is also given here of the Trade Baby Shark. Okay, I will get back to this link, but I just need to finish this, then I will come to the link. Okay, so now the conclusion. Okay, conclusion is here. The launch of the Baby Shark token, guys, signifies the deep integration. Okay, conclusion is also given here. So what are all the conclusions? Okay, what are all the, guys, do you have any question related to the current live stream which is prevailing on your screen? Please, guys, please feel free to ask. Okay, so conclusion: the launch of the Baby Shark token signifies the deep integration of global IPs with Wave 3 technology, sharing in a new era of fan economies. By combining Baby Shark's massive user base with blockchain innovation, BSU, which is Baby Shark, is building a diverse ecosystem that includes gaming, education, and community activities. This is not only provides fans with unprecedented ways to engage but also points the way forward for the future development of the entertainment industry. As this innovation model continues to evolve, we look forward to seeing more groundbreaking applications of global IPs in the Wave 3 space. Okay, so guys, risk warning is also here. Market volatility may affect token value, and technical risk and regulatory changes could impact project development. Investors should assess risk carefully. Okay, related articles is also here. You can go through the other related articles. So guys, I think I have shared enough information with you about this Baby Shark token. And if you didn't understand whatever I shared the information about this wonderful project, please, guys, tell me. Okay, now solve the other now. यहाँ पे GT holder exclusive. This is what this project is. GT holder exclusive. You can get more shares by holding GT tokens. Okay, guys, timeline is given here. So इतना time बचा हुआ है आपके पास. Just this much time is left. 0 day. 17 hour 40 minutes 07 second. Please guys, uh, it's not too late now. The share that can be subscribed and calculated based on GT holdings, with one share subscribed for every 10 GT. So supporters is given here 67,707. So have a look on this progress percentage, this much, and the raised GT is this much. Okay, hold GT and claim free. You can hold GT and claim for free. This project you can claim for free, guys. Okay, Baby Shark project introduction. Let me read out this as well. So Baby Shark, the global phenomenon with over 15 billion views and a billion fans, is now making waves in the Web3 world. Building on its immense popularity across platforms like YouTube, TV, and theme parks. Baby Shark dives into blockchain technology to introduce a fun, inclusive, and user-friendly experience. With its playful charm and iconic tune, Baby Shark is set to revolutionize how fans interact with the digital world, offering innovative and engaging opportunities. So that I told you earlier that this has been introduced for a fun. So inclusive, user-friendly experiences, playful charm, and iconic tune. So Baby Shark is set to revolutionize how fans interact with the digital world, offering innovative and engaging opportunities. So who is the founder of this wonderful Baby Shark project? Is Hyun, founder. The project is led by Hyun, a passionate advocate for digital transformation with a background in education and technology. As the founder and CEO, they are committed to bridging the gap between entertainment and blockchain, making Web3 accessible and enjoyable for a global audience. Under their leadership, the team blends creativity and technical expertise to deliver an unforgettable experience. Okay, ये बहुत अच्छे इनके बारे में दिया गया, पैशनेट एडवोकेट है डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का. एंड इनकी बैकग्राउंड की अगर बात की जाए तो इट इज इन ही इज अ एजुकेशन एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, बैकग्राउंड इन एजुकेशन एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. Information for startup. So 0 GT startup purchase price, 0 GT you can claim for free. Startup supply, so this much figure is given here. So 5,40,060. So 5,40,000, 60 Baby Sharks, 100% unlock rule. There is a 100% unlocking rule. So highlight and the visions. Okay, guys. So highlights and the visions is also given here. So Baby Shark's vision to bring Wave3 to everyone, making it as simple and delightful as singing doo doo. Oh wow, singing doo doo. Highlights include collectible NFTs, interactive metaverse experiences, and unique collaborations with meme culture. Sorry. offering a seamless blend of entertainment and the technology. So guys, I had already shared with you that this project offers you a seamless blend of entertainment and the technology. So token economics. Okay, token economics. So the Baby Shark token powers its Web3 eco, enabling NFT transactions, staking rewards, and exclusive access to metaverse experiences. Its utility fosters community participation and long-term eco sustainability. So technical overview is also there. Baby Sharks leverages cutting edge blockchain technology to provide secure, scalable, and environmentally friendly solutions. Its NFTs Its NFTs and tokenomics are designed to enhance user experience, ensuring inclusivity and accessibility for all. Okay, token allocation fair launch. Okay, the token is 100% in the circulation. Okay, token allocation fair launch, the token is 100% in the circulation. So guys, hold GT and claim for free. Okay, hold GT and claim for free. So timeline is given here, only the 17 hours 30 minutes and the seconds are left. VIP 0, current VIP level, lucky draws, available shares. Start subscriptions. Okay, start subscriptions. Subscriptions has started. You just have to hold no less than 10 GT. Introduction I had already shared with you. Now this timeline is given a Baby Shark USDT. Start time is also given here. Information. So Baby Shark, the global phenomenon with over 15 billion views and a billion fans, is now moving waves in the Web3 world. Building on its immense popularity across platforms like YouTube TV and theme parks, Baby Shark dives into blockchain technology to introduce a fun, inclusive, and user friendly experience with its playful charm and iconic tune. Baby Shark is set to revolutionize how fans interact with the digital world, offering innovative and engaging opportunities. So market cap is 40.41 million USDT. So they have explained their market cap. Total supply is also here, 1.00 billion Baby Shark, and the circulating supply. Okay, circulating supply 1.00 Baby Shark. Explorer Solana account and the Baby Shark link meme. You can open this link and join babysharkmeme.io. Okay. So this Baby Shark meme coin adventure, Baby Shark's new adventure to meet meme friends. Buy now. Let me open the chart. The trading haven't started yet. Timeline is given here and the coming soon. ऑलराइट बेबी शार्क, यहाँ पे ये सारा आर्टिकल्स दिया हुआ है इनका. ये अभी थोड़ा सा ओपन नहीं हो रहा है, बट ये जैसे ही ओपन हो जाएगा आई विल शो यू. अब आप देखो ये गेट आयो का पोस्ट जो कि आपको एक्स पे मिलेगा. ओके, सो गेट आयो का पोस्ट यहाँ पर अपडेट कर दिया गया है इसके बारे में. यू कैन विजिट द get.io का ट्विटर हैंडलिंग एंड देयर यू विल गेट टू नो. यहाँ पे ये सारे स्टार्टअप का लिंक्स आपको मिल जाएगा. ये सब स्टार्टअप का आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा एंड वहां से आप इसके बारे में जान सकोगे. ठीक है. सो आर यू ऑल गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. अब देखो आप, अब इसका मैं यहाँ पर आपको कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट यहाँ पे इम्पोर्टेंट है वो मैं यहाँ पे get.io के एक्स पे जाकर मैं यहाँ पे आई एम रीडिंग आउट. सो get.io स्टार्टअप माइनिंग इनिशियल ऑफरिंग $1 million एयर ड्रॉप $SOLV @solve प्रोटोकॉल stake $GT or $USDT. Okay, to earn $1 million airdrop starting 12 p.m. Jan 15 UTC. Okay, stake $GT or USDT to earn $1 million airdrop starting 12 p.m. Jan 15 UTC, which means कि from today onwards subscriptions had started. Special bonus for new users. New users के लिए special bonus is available there. Earn now. get.io startup mining के link पे आप when you go to this link, when you open this link, यहाँ पे अर्न नाउ न्यू यूजर्स के लिए स्पेशल बोनस है. स्टार्ट टाइमिंग, ट्रेडिंग स्टार्ट टाइम दिया हुआ है गाइस. सो ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. ट्रेडिंग स्टार्ट टाइम यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है 10 AM January 17 UTC एंड द मोर यू विल गेट टू नो ऑन द get.io अनाउंसमेंट. वो तो मैंने आपको शेयर कर दिया है. सो get.io startup #get.startup mining. Any question guys you wanted to ask me? Any question? Okay, any question guys you wanted to ask me? Please guys, please feel free to ask. Okay. Okay. ये आपको दिया हुआ है इसके बारे में जो आपको get.io के प्लेटफॉर्म पे आपको ये इसके बारे में मिल जाएगा. पोस्ट आप देखो 5:56 PM का है आज ही का एंड 7,560 व्यूज भी जा चुका है इस पे. तो गेट स्टार्टअप माइनिंग का डिटेल्स, पूरा डिटेल्स ये दिया हुआ है वेबसाइट पे. यू कैन विजिट द वेबसाइट. ये तो ओपन ही नहीं हो रहा है. सोशल डिस्क्लेमर, ये देख लेते हैं डिस्क्लेमर इसका. ऐसे तो मैंने आपको पूरा एक्सप्लेन कर दिया बट फिर भी ये देख लेते क्या ये इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ दे रहा है. तो $Baby Shark, a meme based token created purely for entertainment and community interaction. It has no inherent value, utility or backing of any kind. The token does not confer ownership, voting rights or any entitlement to profits or decision making in any organization or project. It is not a financial instrument, security or investment vehicle and should not be treated as such. Guys, This line is really very much important. It's not a financial instrument, security, or an investment vehicle and should not be treated as such. Cryptocurrencies are inherently volatile and involve substantial risk. Only engage with funds you are willing to lose. Engaging in the purchase, trade, or holding of this token is entirely at your own risk, with no assurances of value, liquidity, or future usefulness associated with the token. Individuals in the US or in region where cryptocurrency is restricted are advised not to engage with or purchase this token. So they have Twitter handling, they have Telegram channel as well. You can visit all of them. सो यहाँ पे मैंने आपसे सब कुछ डिस्कस कर दिया. अब ये मैंने ये वाली आपकी ओरिजिनल अगर देखें इसका तो ट्रेडिंग व्यू चार्ट अगर हम लोग देखना चाहें तो इट इज नॉट गिवन हियर. ठीक है, ये वाली टाइमलाइन दी गई है. टाइम फ्रेम बेबी शार्क कमिंग सून. ऑर्डर हिस्ट्री, ओपन ऑर्डर्स, ऑर्डर हिस्ट्री नो, ट्रेड हिस्ट्री नो, ओपन ऑर्डर्स नो. So you can log in or create account to trade. You can log in or create your account to trade. Alright guys. So any other question you have guys? Any other question you have? So guys, please guys, I am here to help you. Risk warning, let me read it out. So the startup project is still in its initial stage. Factors including the operation and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risks. Advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risks of crypto asset investment. The volatility of market is high and the price of the token might fluctuate drastically due to technical, regulatory and marketing factors, etc. Users may not be able to withdraw all the purchased token due to technical issues of the project or the get.io. So guys, before doing any investment, please read out their risk warning as well. Okay. So guys, I have already shared that this project, this innovative project has been launched with lots of entertainment purpose. This baby shark project has been launched with the lots of investment purpose. Okay, and mainly for the investment purpose. Okay, and new era of infinite possibilities entertainment का, and ये blockchain है जो transform करता है entertainment industry को. So basically this project has been launched to reshaping the entertainment industry. ये तो मैंने सारा एक्सप्लेन कर दिया आपको. YouTube की मोस्ट पॉपुलर वीडियोस ये सारी मैंने बता दी. ये रीजनल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस एंड ऑल ये सारा मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है. ये ट्रेड बेबी शार्क नाउ, यहाँ से आप यू कैन ट्रेड बेबी शार्क नाउ. ये लिंक पर जाकर यहाँ पर आप यू कैन स्टार्ट योर ट्रेडिंग. बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द ट्रेडिंग you need to first log into the get.io account. Okay, I have already shared the tutorial of the get.io account. You need to go to this and the startup token and launch and airdrop platform. This you need to visit this token launch and airdrop platform. So ये तो मैंने बता दिया था आपको already. GT pool, stake GT and earn SOLV. Oh, so guys, this important this including exclusive for GT holders only. Okay, this is exclusive for the GT holders only, and yes, this is very important project for the GT holders. In progress, upcoming भी बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं. जीटी पूल, जीपीएस पूल, ये सारा ये अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स आप देख सकते हो, ये सारे अंडर में है. अबाउट स्टार्टअप माइनिंग, staked $422.3 million, funds raised $18.18 billion, projects 147, and the participants are 2.88 million. Okay, so all pools are available here. Okay, you can go through this. यहाँ पे ये देख सकते हो, join startup mining and share the this much SOLV bonus pool. Okay, आई होप ये सारा जो भी मैंने इन्फॉर्मेशन आपसे शेयर किया, वॉट एवर आई हैव शेयर्ड द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस प्रोजेक्ट, you have completely understand, and I would like to thank each and everyone who has joined my today's live session. Thank you so much guys for joining this live session. I really appreciate that you all have joined this live session. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.